Hello again. I'd like to talk to you about your 11's times tables. Now, I know that these are the first ones you learned at the end of second grade because anybody can write down the same number twice. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 3 is 33. But of course, we're going to be wanting to do bigger math problems than that. I'd like to know what 11 times 34 is. And I know that most of you are scratching your heads and wondering the same thing. Why would you want to know? Well, sometimes you need to know these things. So the example is 34. And how could we do that with first grade arithmetic? Well, we can copy a 3 and we can copy a 4. What goes in the middle? The sum. Now, if I asked you to do that with 51, but don't write anything down, the trick is to remember the 5, remember the 1, and know that 5 plus 1 is 6. And we're good to go. Now, this works for any two-digit number where the digits add up to 9 or less. If it carries, is that going to be a problem? Well, I'm still going to want to write the 8 down. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Yeah, there's that carry. I've got to write the 6 down. I put the 1 up there, and I've got a 9, and I'm done. Now, how do I check my work? Well, it's simple. Add those together. I get a 7. Boom. Ties to the center. Same over here. It ties to the center. But over here, 9 and 8 are 17. Take away the 6. Oh, look at that. We get an 11. So how do I know that 2101 is a multiple of 11? Because 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. As long as the sum of every other digit is the same as the sum of all the digits you skipped, it's a multiple of 11. If the difference is something other than 0, it's a multiple of 11 if it's an 11 or a 22 or a 33 or a 44. And if you're doing bigger numbers than that, well, you're a bigger man than I am. But that's 11s in a nutshell. Earlier, I demonstrated 5s and the power of 5s and how fast we could calculate it with a shortcut. So let's do something similar with the power of 11. We know that 11 to the first, and our shortcut tells us that we can do that. Well, our shortcut continues. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. We get another 1 out front. We're going to do it one more time. We're going to get a 4 this time, and a 6, and a 4, and a 1. We're going to go one more, and we get a 5. Oh, we got a carry, so we're going to put a 1 in here. We're going to get an 11. And we're going to put a 1 in there and get a 6. And we're going to put a 1 out front. We can do it again. And we just did 11 to the 7th in about a minute without writing the same number down 18 times and seeing if our addition was right and all that sort of thing. Where did we have some problems? Well, we had to worry about the carries in here. But other than that, carrying 1, not really a big problem to overcome. At this point, I'd ask if there are any questions. If there are, your mother or dad, they're going to have to answer them for you.